Hey guys, so I'm outside and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jacob Deaton. I used to have a one called JJ Monkey. No, it was Jacob Deaton and it had chicken tenders and fries on it, but now this one just has a green face, or like a green background with the face on it. Just type in Jacob Deaton and you'll find me. And it's raining outside and you know, it's getting colder by the minute it rains, so. And it's been raining all morning, so. And it is currently 9:45. So. I really don't really like rain. I mean, I like storms, but rain I don't really like because it can flood everything. And then we'll have to have a new house. See, right there, the water. Right there, it's all flooded. So, yay. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.